This is the KINWELL Bouclé Barrel Chair, and this is in dark gray. We got this chair for the front part of our house. It's very bright up here, so I wanted you to see what the dark gray looked like in a bright room. It definitely changes colors in different light, which I love, and I'm going to show you some different angles of that. I absolutely love this chunky boucle fabric. It feels very high quality. The chair itself is very high quality. This is not just a cheap piece that you're going to get. It's a beautiful piece that's going to last you a long time. It's got just the right amount of softness, but it also is pretty firm. And here's the chair in a slightly darker light, and I absolutely just love the way the fabric looks in different lights. The funniest thing happened while I was filming this. I'm going to show you guys right now. So the footstool that goes with this, for the video, I wanted to turn it over to show the bottom, and I saw this tag at the bottom that said, legs inside. Well, we had never turned it over, so as I was unzipping this, I realized that there are legs that actually go onto the bottom of this footstool. It looked cute just the way it was, but now here we go. We have it correctly with the legs. I've actually had this for several months, so it's really funny that I did not know that until I filmed this video. Anyway, I absolutely love this chair. For the price point, you cannot go wrong. It is a timeless piece. It is so luxurious with the boucle fabric, and it's just something that's going to look good with many different styles.